Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious quick midweek dish, spicy garlic prawn pasta. Stay with me and let's get started on this recipe. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I have spaghetti, but you can use any pasta of your choice, unsalted butter, finely diced garlic, freshly chopped parsley. I have my king prawns, finely diced shallots. I have some finely diced chili, Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, Aromat seasoning, white pepper, black pepper, and jumbo crayfish flavoring stock. As always, all the ingredients including measurement will be in the description box below. I have added enough water to a pot and I am now going to season the water with a little bit of salt. Next, I'm going to allow the water to come to a boil and I will add my pasta. Once I've added the pasta, I will cook it as per the cooking instructions on the packaging. Whilst the pasta is cooking, time to make the spicy garlic prawns. So to my wok, I have added the unsalted butter and I'm just allowing this to melt. As you can see, the butter has melted nicely. I am now going to add the chopped garlic and I will simmer this on low to medium heat until fragrant. As soon as my garlic is nice and fragrant, I'm going to go in with the diced shallots and I'll continue simmering on low to medium heat for 1 minute. I am now going to add the chilies and I'll continue to simmer on low to medium heat for 2 minutes. And also guys, if you don't like spicy food, please feel free to omit the chilies from this recipe. Now time to add the king prawns and I'll mix everything together well. I will continue to simmer on low to medium heat. Next, I will be adding the seasonings. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm just mixing everything together well and I will allow this to simmer on low to medium heat for 3 minutes. And guys, at this point, your kitchen should be smelling heavenly because the aroma coming from this sauce is incredible. I have added the fresh parsley, and if you don't have fresh parsley, you can certainly use dried parsley. Please don't forget to taste and adjust seasonings if needed. My pasta is also ready, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the pasta from the water directly into my spicy garlic prawns, and next I will mix everything together. And guys, the spicy garlic prawn pasta is ready. If I tell you how much my mouth is salivating because I love pasta and I love prawns. So this dish is just right up my street. Honestly, I cannot wait to tuck in. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and click that notification bell which will notify you every time I post a new video. Enjoy and I will see you next time. Bye.